So the company's management team elaborated on a fact that I've been talking about all year long in 2025, and more so after recent earnings reports from large hyperscalers. They highlight Nvidia highlights that analyst expectations for the top cloud service providers and hyperscalers in 2026 aggregate capex have continued to increase and now sit around roughly 600 billion. That's more than $200 billion higher than what we thought they were going to be to begin 2025. And remember, starting 2025, everyone was amazed at the amount of increase in capital expenditures from these companies. So already coming into the year, investors were enthusiastic about the huge spending that's coming online from these large hyperscalers. And fast forward towards the end of the year, it looks like the spending is going to be roughly 50% more than what we imagined in the beginning of the year. So it was already robust at around 400 billion, but it now looks like it's going to be closer to 600 billion, which is 50% more than we initially expected. And a lot of that came in the most recently completed quarter from the earnings of Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet, Meta, which all stated that they will be spending tens of billions, if not more, on increases in capex compared to what they told us just 3 months prior. So they're seeing such good return on investment that they are accelerating their investments in this category more so than they already were in 2025. Furthermore, they also told investors that in 2027 and 2026, it's likely to continue. Like they're going to continue spending even more than they're spending right now. Anthropic has been more focused on profitability and less focused on growing the number of weekly active users. It's more focused on business users and paying users. Anthropic already reported that its annualized run rate revenue has reached 7 billion as of last month, and that's up from 1 billion to start the year. That's a 7x increase in revenue at the billion-dollar scale for Anthropic, which is now becoming one of Nvidia's customers given their recent arrangement with Nvidia. So you're seeing the end demand for large language model and for artificial intelligence continue to boom, and that's great news for Nvidia and Nvidia stock investors.
Click the link below to watch the full video.